Hey foodies, let me show you how I prepare this delicious oven baked chicken wings. Super quick and easy and no sauce needed. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. So here I have some chicken wings already washed and prepped, and I'll be using some of my fresh green seasoning, which I can leave the link to the recipe in the description box. I have here some sazon, chicken bouillon, paprika, some rotisserie chicken seasoning, seasoned salt, and black pepper. So basically you want to just combine all of the seasonings so they can be evenly distributed onto the wings. Once you're done, we will coat the wings with a little oil, and then we'll add our seasoning, the dry and the wet, and we will mix well to combine, cover, and let it sit and marinate for a good 3 to 4 hours. Once done marinating, you want to just assemble them into your favorite baking dish. Once they are assembled, we will place them into a 400-degree oven for about 1 hour. We will leave them uncovered. And if your oven happens to be super high in heat, you can do 375. After an hour, you will go ahead and baste the wings with the juices that's at the bottom of your pan, because once you pull them out, they will look a bit dry because we did not cover them. But that's okay. Once you baste them, they will become nice and moist, and you can serve them just as they are. No sauce is needed. Once you season your wings really well, you don't need any sauce. They were so juicy and flavorful. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. I did serve this up with my husband's favorite sides. It became my sides as well because I grew to love them. Some candy yams, collard greens, and a pasta salad. And it was so delicious. Like I said, give the recipe a try for me. And let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.